Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you watch my videos, today I'm gonna be doing step 6 of how to solve Rubik's Cube. And once again I solved it, so let's remix it. There's something in my room that's really disturbing. Can you go away, fly? Thank you. No. The window's open, get out. Thank you. It flew back in. Okay, give me ones. It's annoying. So let's mix this up. That looks so weird. Guys, if you want better recording, or guy or girl, whoever's watching this, if you want better recording, I might get a new camera by the end of the year. Because I'm just using my iPad, as you may know. That's wrong. That means, yep, there we go. I'm doing this a different method. I just did something dumb. I'm doing a different method for this. Just so it's quicker. If you know how to do all of them perfectly and you memorize them, then you'll see like there's weird things. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, no. Oh. Let's do that. Yep. Wait. Nice. So we've got a cross like this. I don't know if it's the right way. Let's do this. 1 sec. Oh. Let's see my cube. This will work, right? So once we get to the cross, if there's a corner filled in, you want to make sure that's on the bottom left, like that. So, I don't know if it's on bottom left for you. Hold on. That's bottom right for you, but make sure it's on bottom left and bottom right. I think I accidentally went out of the app, so yeah. It's my foot. Okay. There we go. Now, make sure it's in the bottom left, as I said before. Then we do this algorithm. We'll do this, so it's easier. You make sure bottom left, yep. That corner right there. Bottom left. So, you put this side, the right side up. Before I do this, I'm going to leave a little thingy in that corner right here. And yeah, so you put the right side up. You put the top to the left. You put the right back down. You put the top to the left. The right up, the top twice, and put it back down. Now, if we look on top, it's not solved. So this is here. So we need to put this back to the bottom left. I don't know if that's bottom left for you, but make sure it's bottom left for you viewing out there. You. Okay. Then make sure the white is on the bottom and yellow is on the top. Then you do that algorithm again. The right up, the top to the left, the right down, the top to the left, the right up, the top to the left, and the right back down. Now it's solved. The white side is solved. But there are many other cases. Let's just say this. Say this is the case. There's 2. Now, if there's 2, don't make it so there's 1 in the bottom left. This is bottom left for me. I don't know if it is for you. Oh my god. There we go. Make sure if there's 2, none in the bottom left. So you put this up, and you put the right up, top to the left, put it back down, top to the left, the right up, and the top twice, and the bottom, not the bottom, what's wrong with me? The right, put it back down. Now you have a cross. There's no corners filled in, so just do it from any angle. Well, actually, make sure there's a yellow piece to the left. This is my left. I don't know if it's your right or your left. This might be your right, this might be your left. I don't know, this might be your right, this might be your left. I have no idea. But this is my right and this is my left. So put the right up, top to the left, the right down, top to the left, the right up, the top twice, and the right back down to the white. Now it's like that, and we just do that algorithm again. Right up, that, top down, boom, twice, and put it back down. Now it's solved. But of course there are cases like long algorithm. There are cases like this. You just do the exact same thing. Like this. So on the left, there's a yellow corner. Then you do right up, top to the left, right down, top to the left, right up, top twice, and put the right back down. And you just do that again. Make sure there's yellow to the left, right there, there, then right up, top to the left, right down, top to the left, right up, top twice, put it back down, and then do that all again. It's like that. Make sure when you do it, that's on the bottom left. If there's not any corners filled in, it's meant to be like that. Like that. If there's 2 corners, it's meant to be like that too. And yeah, just so you know. Right up, top to the left, right down, top to the left, right up, top twice, and right down. Now it's solved. Now that's all the cases it can be. And yeah. Nice. Thank you guys for watching. This was step 6 of how to solve a Rubik's Cube. There are only 2 more steps, so if you wanna complete this annoying puzzle, wait, what? Oh, yep. It's just the way I'm thinking like PLL, like the rest of the algorithm. That's it, no more. But there are 2 more steps, okay. So my shout out for today is Maya Konjovic, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Like and subscribe.